To Commitment 2024, there is a push to allocate millions of dollars into a trust fund that could address affordable housing in New Orleans.
Now, if this passes, a percentage of the city's general fund budget would permanently be set aside for housing programs. WDSC reporter Jonah Gilmore is live from the Ashe Cultural Center, where a meeting was held to give input and get input from the public. Jonah?
Well, Solo Gina, people we spoke to say there's a dire need for affordable housing in New Orleans, and permanently allocating money to address it could be a good move for the city.
What is the city's plan to improve our housing?
Lorraine Washington relies on public transit to get around and says she's seen a lack of affordable housing in New Orleans.
We've had so much homelessness, and I believe we still do. But it's been a constant issue for the city.
Washington is one of several people who attended a meeting to learn more about a housing trust fund initiative.
Most of the people who live here, to put it plain, can't afford it. Whether it's insurance to increase in their rent.
The initiative seeks to allocate 2% of the city's general fund budget for affordable housing, which could be used for fixing up rental units, provide support to affordable housing developers, and expanding programs to help first-time home buyers.
And we've got to prioritize ourselves. We've got to put housing first.
New Orleans City Councilwoman Leslie Harris says that money could also help create 4,700 new affordable rental units to address what she calls a crisis.
There's soft second mortgages that could come out of it, grants that it would also be self-funding and actually attract more money to it.
So far, $32 million has been allocated to gap finances for affordable housing projects that's already in the queue. She says this push will not create a new tax or millage, and it'll be up to voters, including Washington, to decide its fate.
I believe that there's not enough affordable housing.
Now, voters will actually vote on that measure during the November 5th election. Reporting live in New Orleans tonight, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.